Hello guys, welcome. I am Ander and I'm there for your Spanish. If you're trying to learn Spanish but you feel overwhelmed, like there's too many verbs, too much grammar, charts, too many rules to learn, stop worry about it. Because in this video, I'm giving you 50 phrases in Spanish that actually the Spanish speaking people used every single day. Not complicated grammar, not hard explanations. It's just simple Spanish you can start using today. At the end of this video, you'll be capable of greeting people, introducing yourself, and asking for a few things that you might need in your daily life. And the most important, understand basic conversations and survive in a Spanish-speaking country. So, if you're ready to start speaking Spanish right now, let's go for it. On screen, you'll see the Spanish phrase, and right next to it, the English translation, just to make it a little bit easier. I'll say it first, then you can repeat it. It's quite important to repeat it aloud. Yes, aloud, because Spanish is something you don't understand. It's something you feel in your heart. If you're ready to start, let's go for it. Let's start with the basic greetings. These are phrases you will use in every single day situation in Spanish. Hola means hello. This works in almost any situation, formal or informal. Buenos dias means good morning. You use it in the morning, usually until or around noon. Buenas tardes means good afternoon. You use it after midday and before the night time. Or buenas noches, which means good evening or good night, when you use it to say goodbye or before the night time. And finally, ¿cómo estás? It means how are you? This is how you ask how it feel in informal way. Now repeat them with me. Hola, buenos días, buenas tardes, buenas noches, ¿cómo estás? Let's continue with more basic Spanish phrases you can use every day. Estoy bien means I'm fine. Use it when somebody asks you how are you. Gracias means thank you. You use it to be polite when somebody does something for us. Muchas gracias, it means thank you very much, to show an extra gratitude. Por favor means please. And perdón means sorry. You use it when you make a mistake or you need to get someone's attention. Practice these phrases and then you can use it easily. Go with me. Estoy bien. Gracias. Muchas gracias. Por favor. Perdón. I'll see you in the next slide with more phrases. 4 more phrases in Spanish for you. Disculpa means excuse me. Use it to get someone's attention or to be polite or if you made a mistake. Sí means yes, it's used to agree. No means no, used to disagree or refuse. Tal vez means maybe, use it when you're not sure about something. ¿Qué es esto means what is this? You use it when you want to ask someone about an object. Let's go together. Disculpa, sí, no, tal vez, ¿qué es esto? Practice these phrases in context and you'll be able to use them every single day in Spanish. Let's go for the next ones. Here you got 5 more phrases in Spanish you can use every day. ¿Dónde estás means where are you? Used to ask someone about his location. Aquí means here. Used to say you are in a specific place. Allí means there. It's used to talk about a place that is not here. It's far from here actually. Me gusta means I like it. Used to expression to say something you enjoy, you like. In the other hand, no me gusta, I don't like. So, let's go to these phrases together. ¿Dónde estás? Aquí, allí, me gusta, no me gusta. Practice these phrases and you will see your Spanish skills improves every day. 5 more Spanish phrases you can use every day. Tengo hambre means I'm hungry. Use it when you need a food. Tengo sed means I'm thirsty when you need a drink. And keep this in mind, we used to have instead of to. Quiero agua means I want water. Quiero comer means I want to eat. When we need a drink or a meal for stomachs. ¿Cuánto cuesta? How much is it? When you're asking about prices. Let's go through them. Tengo hambre. Tengo sed. Quiero agua. Quiero comer. ¿Cuánto cuesta? There you go. 5 more phrases for your Spanish vocab. 5 easy sentences you can use every day in Spanish, like es barato or es barata. This means it's cheap. You can use to talk about the price of something. Es caro o es cara. In the same line, it's expensive. Used to talk about something that has a high price. Ayuda means help. You use them when you need help urgently. Necesito ayuda. I need help. When you just need assistance. No entiendo. I don't understand. Use it when something is not clear for you. Now, let's go through them. Es barato. Es caro. Ayuda. Necesito ayuda. No entiendo. Remember to practice them and master those phrases. I have 5 more sentences for all of you. You can use those every time, every day. Entiendo means I understand. When you get it, when something is clear for you. Habla despacio, speak slowly. Use this when somebody is speaking too fast. Repita por favor means repeat please. Used when you need to hear something again. Puedes ayudarme, can you help me? When you need somebody's help, somebody's assistance. ¿Qué hora es? What time is it? Used to talk about the time when you need to know it. Entiendo. Habla despacio. Repita por favor. ¿Puedes ayudarme? ¿Qué hora es? Now you have more vocab to add to your repertory. Here I got you 5 more sentences you can use in Spanish every day. Es temprano means it's early, to talk about the early time in the morning or the day. Es tarde, when it's late, to talk about the late time in the night, or when it's late for do something. Hoy means today, used to talk about the current day. Mañana means tomorrow, used to talk about the next day which is coming. Yesterday means ayer, you can use to talk about the previous day. Let's go through the sentence. Es temprano. Es tarde. Hoy. Mañana. Ayer. Now you have 5 more sentences you can use every single day in your Spanish dialogues. 5 more sentences about how to introduce yourself and how to asking for names. Me llamo means my name is. You can use this one to introduce yourself with your name. ¿Cómo te llamas? What's your name? To ask somebody's names. Mucho gusto means nice to meet you. When you just met someone for the first time. Adiós means goodbye. You can use this one to farewell somebody. Hasta luego means see you later. Use that one to say goodbye in an informal way. Let's go through them together. Me llamo. ¿Cómo te llamas? Mucho gusto. Adiós. Hasta luego. Okay? 5 more sentences you can use every day in your Spanish conversations. 5 more sentences for you guys. See you soon is used to say goodbye and express your will to see someone again. Bienvenido means welcome. Use that one to greet somebody who comes to your house, a meeting, any kind of situation or event. ¿De dónde eres? Where are you from? Used to ask about someone's origin. Soy de means I am from. Use it to say where are you originally from. Vivo aquí means I live here. Used to say where you're living. Let's go through them. Hasta pronto. Bienvenido. ¿De dónde eres? Soy de. Vivo aquí. With this sentence, you can have a basic conversation in Spanish. Thanks for watching this video. I hope these basic Spanish phrases were helpful for you. And if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, a comment for more Spanish content. I share new videos to help you to learn Spanish step by step. If you like to see the part 2, give me a like and I'll give it with to you. And if you would like to know more about Spanish classes, click in the links below for more information. Keep practice Spanish todos los días. Chao, chao.